Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Philips Hue Sync Box and you need to do a hard reset on it. This will restore the factory default settings to the sync box, and you may need to do this if you're having issues where it will not connect, it keeps disconnecting, it's not responding, any kind of these kind of glitches that you can get with these sometimes. A hard reset will fix a lot of them. So to do this is quite easy. The first thing you need to do is just go ahead and unplug the sync box. Once it's unplugged, you're going to wait 20 to 30 seconds. And then you're going to come in and press and hold the power button. And you're just going to continue to press and hold the power button. And while you're pressing and holding the power button, you will restore power. And just continue to press and hold the power button for several more seconds until the LED light indicates that the reset process has begun. Once that happens, you should wait for several more seconds until the process completes, at which point you will be able to reconnect your Philips Hue Sync Box to whatever devices you like.